There's 2 days to go, lots to happen, you know, tight competition with the Baineses, they're very good, and as we say, it's just one tractor and that could throw the whole thing, so we'll just keep plugging away as we do, one at a time.
Scenery is absolutely breathtaking and magnificent, and you know, the odd shower you don't really mind. The clouds are a bit annoying because then you get no visibility, but it's absolutely fantastic.
Absolutely loved it. It's been really challenging, demanding, and it's really good. I thoroughly enjoyed it.